climb,
The cat climbed the tree to escape the dog. He climbs the stairs every day to stay fit.
paint,
She paints beautiful landscapes in her free time. He painted the walls of his new house.
sing,
She sings in the choir every Sunday. He sang a song at the talent show.
dance,
They dance together at every party. She danced gracefully on the stage.
swim,
He swims in the pool every morning. She swam across the lake last summer.
read,
She reads a book before bed every night. He read the instructions carefully.
write,
He writes letters to his grandparents every week. She wrote a story about her summer vacation.
cook,
She cooks dinner for her family every evening. He cooked a delicious meal for his friends.
study,
He studies for his exams every night. She studied the map to find the best route. Listen. He listens to music while jogging. She listened carefully to the teacher's instructions.
speak,
She speaks 3 languages fluently. He spoke to the manager about the issue.
laugh,
They laughed at the funny movie. She laughed out loud when she heard the joke.
cry,
She cried when she lost her favorite toy. He cried during the sad part of the movie. Build. He builds model airplanes as a hobby. They built a sandcastle on the beach.
Fix.
He fixes cars at the local garage. She fixed the broken chair. Open. She opens a window to let in fresh air. He opened the book to the first page. Close. He closes the door quietly so as not to wake anyone. She closed the book after finishing the chapter.
Wash.
He washes his car every weekend. She washed her hands before dinner.
Dry.
She dries her hair with a towel after a shower. He dried the dishes after washing them.
Help.
She helps her brother with his homework. He helped an elderly woman cross the street.
Call.
He calls his parents every weekend. She called the doctor for an appointment. Visit. They visit their grandparents during the holidays. He visited the museum last weekend. Answer. She answers the phone whenever it rings. He answered the question correctly.
Ask.
He asks for help when he needs it. She asked the teacher a question about the lesson.
Buy.
She buys groceries every week. He bought a new book from the store.
Sell.
He sells vegetables at the market. She sold her old car last month.
Eat.
She eats breakfast every morning. He ate a sandwich for lunch.
Drink.
He drinks water after his workout. She drank a cup of tea in the afternoon. Throw.
He throws the ball to his dog.
She threw the paper in the trash.
Catch.
She catches butterflies in the garden. He caught the bus just in time.
Give.
She gives her friend a gift on her birthday. He gave a speech at the ceremony.
Take.
He takes a shower every morning. She took a picture of the sunset.
Teach.
She teaches English to beginners. He taught his son how to ride a bike. Learn. He learns something new every day. She learned to play the piano when she was a child.
Sleep.
He sleeps for 8 hours every night. She slept late on the weekend.
Wake.
She wakes up early every morning. He woke up late and missed the bus.
Run.
He runs 5 kilometers every morning. She ran to catch the train.
Walk.
They walk their dog in the park every evening. She walked home from school.
Smile.
He smiles when he sees his friends. She smiled at the stranger who helped her.
Frown.
He frowns when he's confused. She frowned at the bad news.
Brush.
She brushes her hair every morning. He brushed his teeth before bed.
Shave.
He shaves every morning before work. She shaved her legs before going to the beach.
comb,
She combs her hair after washing it. He combed his son's hair before school.
play,
He plays soccer with his friends on weekends. She played the piano beautifully.
watch,
They watch movies together every Friday night. She watched the sunset from the hilltop.
search,
She searches the internet for new recipes. He searched the house for his lost keys. Rescue, He rescues animals in need. She rescued a kitten from the street.
greet,
She greets her neighbors every morning. He greeted the guests at the door.
kiss,
She kisses her children goodnight. He kissed his wife before leaving for work. Hug, She hugs her friend when she's feeling down. He hugged his parents when he saw them.